dumpster rental service in Branford, Connecticut. If you're looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in Branford, Connecticut, the Good Guys Dumpster Rental LLC is here to help. We offer quick, affordable, and hassle-free dumpster rentals for residential and commercial projects. Whether you are cleaning out your garage, remodeling your home, or managing a construction site, we have the ideal dumpster for you. Our rental process is simple. Select your size and schedule delivery, and we'll pick it up when you're done. We offer multiple dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale, from small cleanouts to significant renovations. Our team guarantees timely deliveries and pickups, ensuring your project remains on schedule. We take pride in responsible waste disposal, helping keep Branford clean and environmentally friendly. You get the best value for your dumpster rental needs with competitive rates and no hidden fees. We cater to homeowners, businesses, and contractors needing efficient and reliable waste removal solutions. Our commitment to customer satisfaction means you can always count on us for quality service. No matter what type of debris you need to remove, we have the right solution for you. We simplify waste disposal, allowing you to concentrate on finishing your project without stress. Contact us today at 203-500-9635 to schedule your dumpster rental in Branford, Connecticut.